Good dinner, Papa. You had good dinner. Your belly's nice and full, Stinker Boy. You enjoyed your meatballs and your pizzas. You drank your water. You did all the good things, and you had a good day. You were a good boy. You poo-pooed and pee-peed outside. You did all the good things. You took a nap in your car seat. You're such a precious peach, Papa. Yes, Stinker Boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Massage the ears. Let out some of that tension. Yeah, Papa. Soak it in. Soak it in, Cub Scout. Mama loves you. Kiss. Thank you, Stinker Boy. Woo. Good purples. Yeah, Stinky Boy. Oh, big yawn. That my baby. Oh, okay. Goodbye.